Rumination is a fancy way of describing overthinking, looping thoughts. Another way to describe it is hamster in a wheel. Same thoughts over and over and over again. Usually doesn't get us anywhere. Usually it's some kind of torturous pattern of thinking that doesn't lead anywhere. And I want to show you a technique that is sure to break that for you and to give you a little bit of relief. And the good news is that it is super simple and very effective. So let's explore that together. But first, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist. If you made your way here over to my channel, YogaVision Online, either you came via Instagram or you came via TikTok or you've been here for a while and you know that Kundalini Yoga is an incredibly effective way to handle all kinds of things, everything from trauma and on. So I want to show you this technique because I think it's a really powerful way to get that steady state, to break a looping pattern, and then also to open the portal for some new, fresh thinking. Again, it's really simple and almost almost laughable how easy it is. Okay, so please join me. We can't keep this a secret anymore. As soon as you try it, you'll know and you'll want to share it with all your friends. Okay, so what we're going to do is use the optic nerve and we're going to use our eyes. Simple and straightforward. The optic nerve, the nerve that runs from the eye to the brain, sending signals and information about what we're looking at and that we're moving our eyes, goes directly to the brain. And this is part of the nervous system. The nervous system is how we perceive the world. It informs us about what is safe, what is not safe, and also our nervous system helps us to experience the world around us. And so we're going to use our nervous system, your nervous system, my nervous system, to actually work for us. And the important piece here is that the optic nerve is actually a nerve, part of the nervous system that we can actually control. And that's what makes it really effective. So we're going to move our eyes, and that's going to send a signal to the brain to calm down, to switch directions, to turn off the chatter. Okay, so it goes like this. You're going to take one hand, doesn't matter which one, cover the same eye. So right here, I'm using my right hand to cover my right eye. And now all we're going to do for a few seconds is go look from right to left, left to right, and back and forth, side to side. If you can close the eye behind your hand, great. And last 3, 2, and 1. Inhale deeply, close, and exhale, and relax. We're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right. Do that a few more times. Three, two, one. Close both eyes, relax your hands down, take a deep inhale, and exhale. How do you feel? Drop a comment below. If that worked for you, I'm excited because you can use that anywhere, all over the place. You just need a 30 seconds and you can stop the rumination, stop the overthinking, stop the looping thoughts, and then come back to your truth. Come back to who you really are, which is sovereign and regal and radiant and graceful. You don't need to churn in all those thoughts. Now, here's part 2. Again, if you've been here for a while, you know Kundalini Yoga. So now what we're going to do is add a mantra. So same practice. This time we're going to use Sa Ta Na Ma. So the mantra, universe, life, death, rebirth. We're going to add a little power to this eye movement and see what that offers us. Okay, so same idea. Let's start with the right eye. and go back and forth. And this time, as you move your eyes, use the mantra Sa Ta Na Ma. Sa Ta Na Ma. Sa Ta Na Ma. Sa Ta Na Ma. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Same thing, opposite eye. Sa Ta Na Ma. 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 Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Cool. So for me, the difference was the first time a lot of tension released itself because I'm here in front of you and feeling a little like, okay, what do I need to say? Second time around, I was a little more relaxed. And then also the using the mantra helped me slow everything down. And that was allowing me to take a little bit more space for myself. Notice what happens for you and drop a comment below. Let's see what the collective has to offer and what each of your different experiences are, because each one of us is unique and maybe you found something else that could be just as workable. Now, I chose Satanama. This is a powerful mantra in the world of Kundalini Yoga. You can use Wahe Guru. Wahe Guru, Wahe Guru. Same idea. We're adding mantra to an already powerful practice and elevating it just a little bit by using the sound vibration. So again, drop a comment below. Let me know how it worked for you. If you found this helpful, please share it with your friends. Please share it with your community. There are so many different ways that this could work for people, and I just want that information out there. Lots of love to you. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist. If you like what you're seeing, please like and subscribe, share it with your friends. And if you're looking for ways to work with me a little bit more, check out numerology. That's you and me one-on-one, and we can do lots of these different techniques to help you feel better. Number two is Harmony Within. It's a group coaching program, a great way to experience Kundalini Yoga and group interaction so that you feel a sense of connection. And then finally, Kundalini Yoga teacher training, my favorite, a year of all of this deliciousness, all of this powerful, vital, ancient information for right now, for where we are in our lives. Lots of love. Check the links in my bio. See you next time.